Tucked in the North Atlantic, halfway between Norway and Iceland, lies a place so raw and untouched, it feels like another planet. Welcome to the Faroe Islands, 18 volcanic islands forged by nature and shaped by adventure. Once overlooked, these remote lands are now one of the fastest growing destinations for travelers seeking wild beauty, cultural depth, and soul-shaking experiences. The Faroe Islands have quietly become the direct destination for adventure, not because of crowded resorts or flashy attractions, but because of their silence, their mystery, and their majesty. Here are 5 must-see spots that every adventurer should experience. First, Drangarnir Sea Stacks, a surreal rock formation rising from the ocean between the islands of Vágar and Tindhólmur, reachable only by a rugged hike or boat. It's nature's sculpture at its finest. Second, Múlafossur Waterfall. Set against the cliffs of Gásadalur, this waterfall plunges straight into the ocean and looks like it belongs in a fantasy film. It's one of the most iconic scenes in the entire North Atlantic. Third, Slættaratindur, the highest peak in the Faroe Islands. On a clear day, you can see every island from the summit. It's a challenging climb, but the panoramic view is absolutely worth the effort. Fourth, Lake Sørvágsvatn, also known as the floating lake. The optical illusion created by the cliffs makes it look like the lake hovers above the ocean. It's one of the most surreal hikes you'll ever take. And fifth, the village of Gove, a colorful, peaceful village tucked into a deep natural gorge. It offers everything Faroese, from turf-roof houses to sea cliffs just a short walk away. The Faroe Islands are not just another stop on the map. They are for the curious, for the bold, for those who still crave discovery. This isn't just a trip, this is an expedition.